God on time, my people. Get your tea, let's talk. Hey, Wagwan, it's the last Sunday in 2024 and I am just so grateful. Sipping on some soursop leaf tea. How is your holidays going so far? Things and times have surely changed because usually last Sunday in 2024 I'd be at church. I would be breaking my neck even if I didn't feel like. As a matter of fact, I wasn't allowed to feel like going. The pandemic has really taught us a lot and we have learned a whole lot over the past few years. But last year also has taught me a whole lot. I learned also to be less judgmental. Can you imagine not seeing somebody in church and the first thing you are thinking is that they're outside doing something wrong? You don't think that there's a plane passing? Yeah, so as I said before, things and times have surely changed and I'm not mad at it because people would say you've changed. I am supposed to. You are supposed to change. What do you mean? You're not supposed to be the same person you were 5 years ago, 4 years ago. And it doesn't mean that you've changed for the worse. It means that you've changed for the better. But people don't like to see changes. And then they feel like, oh, if you're not going to church every Sunday, you've changed for the worse. No, darling. I've just now decided that I'm going to focus on my relationship with God, with me, the way I want to do it. Okay, I'm not gonna let people or anybody dictate to me because over the years I've been living for people and I thought I was living for God, but I was really living for people. Can we talk about this? Like, lots of people don't want to talk about it, but really and truly, who was I pleasing over the years? As I reflect, I was really pleasing people because now that I'm doing God and religion and church the way I want to and the way I feel in my spirit that I should, and yeah, you're gonna tell me, okay, God says don't forsake this. Am I supposed to be doing this video? Let's take a sip. I remember not being able to call out of church for whatever reason, and I had family members coming over. I remember one Sunday I rebelliously took the time to go to the beach with my family and I felt so guilty. You know, that's wrong. That is wrong. And that, I think, was the last time my cousins actually came to Jamaica and we had some time to spend together. I've missed out on so many family events because of that, and so I've decided to do things differently. What's wrong with that? Do I love God? Am I a Christian? Of course. The pandemic, as I said before, has taught us that we don't need to be running behind. We don't need to be in church more than Jesus. Anyways, this video is not about that. This video is about gratitude and how it is that my life bingo had bingoed. So I saw on TikTok, that's why I like TikTok, you know. I get ideas other than the mix-up and whatever, which I don't really get a lot of those because I don't watch those. The algorithm puts in front of you what they think you want. Okay, so people say, oh, TikTok is so toxic. I've got classy TikTok, I've got Christian TikTok. So this idea came up where I saw a girl made a life bingo. So you have like a table with, you know, like how a bingo would be with different things. For example, I'm traveling around, or I've paid off all my bills. So you put those other things in the boxes, and I did it last year and I actually bingoed. There are still a few things that I didn't get to cross off, but those will carry forward. I'll just bring those forward to the next few years, or to this next year, 2025, which is in 2 days. Oh my gosh, we lived. So many persons have not lived to see this day. So we're just so grateful and thankful that we got this opportunity to see this day, a day that we'll never see again, and a day that we have never seen before. And of course, we don't know what will happen in the next few days, but day by day we give thanks. We give thanks for mercies and just daily blessings. So yeah, the life bingo, a few things were crossed off and I actually bingoed. So I'm doing it now again for 2025. I've actually done it. I've finished it, as a matter of fact. So it's like about 5 by 5, 25 items. I actually start marking off already, because the moment I start doing it, my brain start working out how I'm going to achieve those. And now I've added pictures to it, so I'm going to actually print a copy and put it somewhere in my room privately, so nobody can come and read my business. So whatever you're doing to prepare yourself, your brain, your resources, everything, get ready for the new year. Remember to put God first. So may it be a vision board, may it be just pray about it, be prayerful about it, see if that's something that God really wants you to do in that time. And even if you did not get to cross off some of the things on your list, or some of the things on your vision board seem to have not come true or manifested, just remember that you still have years to come. And also remember that some of those things may have been unrealistic, because the truth is some of us needed like 2 or 3 years to accomplish some of the things that we had, but at least they started. The fact that they were in your thought process, they were in your mind, and they came out of your mind onto a piece of paper or a cardboard or cartridge paper, whatever it may be, or digitally, they came out of your being and your thought process. So that's the first stage, and they are now, some of them have started where the process is in progress, and so it's just a matter of time. God and time. I wish not to reveal all the things that I accomplished for 2024, but in November, for my birthday, I prayed for a few things, and trust and believe. Like, my birthday was on the 5th of November, and on the 2nd, from the 30th of October, I got a big news, and then on the 2nd of November, another thing came true. I was like, God, look at you. Oh, let me tell you. And there was something that was not on my life bingo that actually came true. I was like, okay, because I have been declaring for the entire year. If you are following me on my personal Instagram page, which is private, it's just for the people who have been following me all these years. I have like 300 and something followers, and I need to purge again, because I've been removing some followers that I don't know and them don't look legit. So I'm gonna purge again. I don't mind not having a big following on my personal Instagram page, because that's for private, and I privatize it because people have been googling my name. People are searching for me, so you have to send me a request if you want to see my personal Instagram page, which is not, why would it be so interesting? Anyways, I know I'm interesting. I'm on interesting. I'm an interesting person. But it's not that serious. Follow me on One Big Irie Family. You'll see another personality, another me over there. Well, those who know me know I'm humorous, but I like to give jokes. But I'm humorous. I'll blow my own whistle because I don't care. I can blow my own whistle. Me get joke. Talk it through to God love. Sometimes them stiff to some people. It depends. But I watch them and I laugh. I find them funny all the time. So yeah. On my traveling stuff and certain other little things are on my personal page. So also on TikTok, One Big Irie Family. Don't have a personal TikTok, don't need to. And then you see me here on YouTube. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, we want to get to 3,000 subscribers before the end of the year. We're now at 2,750 something, and I know what God cannot do does not exist. End of the year is 2 days, and maybe a day for some people depending on where they live. But what can God do in a few hours? I've seen him do it. Won't he do it? He said he would. Yeah, 3,000 subscribers. Even by January 1st, we're extending our faith. And why do I want to have 3,000 subscribers? It's just a personal goal. I mean, it's 2,700 and something. We want to just round it off, square it off. Over 3,000 would be even more spectacular. And I want those subscribers to be organic and to be persons who really love my content and willing to watch and, you know, go on this journey with me. Because there are subscribers who don't necessarily watch my content, and algorithm just take it, say, yo, them not like me. Yeah, then if you're watching this and you have subscribed to my channel but you no longer appreciate what I share, or you subscribed for whatever other reason that you subscribed and you're no longer interested in One Big Irie family, just do me a favor and unsubscribe. Because when I have the bag of subscribers and the views not coming in, you know, I've seen a channel where the subscriber count boom because of a short video that went viral, and actually that short video is not necessarily a content that it's not a regular content that the YouTuber would provide. It was just a short about something that people liked in the season. It went viral, subscriber count went up, and then the views just not adding up. 50,000 subscribers, 200 views. It's just not adding up. So I don't want that. I want people who genuinely like my content. Of course, I know it's social media and people will subscribe for something else, but if you are one of those like long time subscribers, I have channels that I have subscribed to over the years and I decided to unsubscribe just to do them a favor. Because I don't know if you're hearing stuff in the background, it's actually a church. I don't know why their mic is so loud. So you see, I don't even have to leave my yard. This is Jamaica. You can stay in your house and have church. But yes, so we have virtual church. I sometimes join Marian Hall on her virtual space as well. I think the older I get, the more introverted I'm getting. I'm just over people sometimes, right? Anyways, I went back and unsubscribed to some of those channels because I really subscribe for a particular reason, but I don't like what they're sharing going forward, you know. So I just unsubscribe. So if you it's okay, it's really fine if you don't like me anymore, or you don't like the content I'm sharing, or you just can't bother watch me because you find somebody else. Just give me a moment. It's alright, you can unsubscribe, that's fine. And then other persons who really like my channel and my tribe, my people, will find me and they will continue watching, and then I can have my 20,000, 50, 40, 30, any amount going up amount of views. For 2025, I want to start making money on YouTube. I think it's time. It's time I start make money on YouTube. I want to buy the house on the hill. I want to buy the Benz and Beamer. No, like people think that I make money on Instagram. I do not. Actually, I do Instagram as a hobby. Yes, it's out there. It's secret. It's out. No. If you never know, now you know. I do it as a hobby because I think for Instagram they said that if you are based in Jamaica, then you cannot be monetized. And my Instagram account it was created in Jamaica. So for TikTok though, that was done while I was in Australia. So maybe when I get to the threshold, I can be monetized. But really and truly, a YouTube want the thing take off on YouTube, God. Yeah, man, but really and truly, a YouTube want to take off, God. What you cannot do does not exist because people are on YouTube making lots of money. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up and we will talk again. If you don't see me before 2025, have yourself a wonderful rest of 2024. Make it count. The last few hours that we have in 2024, let it count. I mean, it's business as usual for some people, but you know, it's it's just special that you're moving over into a new year, something that lots of people did not get the opportunity to do. So I will see you again. Thank you for rocking with me over the years. For those who have been my day one Jamaican, you know what? I'm not calling name. I'm not gonna call any names because I don't want to get myself in trouble, because a lot of persons watch but don't comment. And I also, if you don't comment, that's fine, but please just click the like button. It's okay, it's not gonna cause anything, it's free, so that the algorithm can send my videos out. Help me to grow in 2025. Help One Big Irie family to get bigger and better for 2025. And even if we don't get money from ad revenue or monetization, in brands can see us, so we can get brand deals, because I know that's also where the money is. I want to make money in 2025. Want to make more money. We're tired of being broke and poor. We want to make more money, okay? So we're putting it out there that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all we could ask or think of. Thank you so much to all those who will be watching this video and you are clicking the subscribe button, and you are welcome to the family. Welcome to One Big Irie family. Thank you for rocking with us, and we will continue to be a community of love, positive vibes, and good people. Love you. Happy New Year when it comes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.